Hi friends, I am Dr. Niranjan Naik. I am Director Surgical Oncology at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram. Surgery is one of the important factor in cancer treatment, and minimally invasive surgery, which is either laparoscopic or robotic surgery. This is very important modality of surgery taking place nowadays all over the world. So coming to robotic surgery, there is some significant benefits when you take up robotic surgery compared to laparoscopic or other minimal invasive surgery. The advantage of robotic surgery is that, one, the access to the organ for which we are going to do the operation, that is very good. So surgeon will have a very good advantage in clearing all the lymph nodal stations, as well as surgeon will have ease to access even difficult places, like in pelvic surgery if it is a colorectal surgery. Then in rectal surgery we have some cases we will have very deep pelvis. In that case the access becomes very difficult in normal surgeries. But in robotic surgery we can do a very thorough clearance, thereby the outcome will be better, and the outcome in the post of recovery period is also far better compared to just other minimal invasive surgery. Then coming to colonic surgeries, the handling of tissue is very minimal in robotic surgery, thereby the post of recovery is faster. We can start the feeding like oral intakes as early as possible in these cases. Mainly in robotic surgery, we are in our hospital, Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Gurugram, we have a very state of the art Da Vinci Xi robotic system, which is a very advanced robotic surgery unit. And in this Xi system, the access to the surgical site is very good, and the outcome based on the post of recovery period, post of pain is minimal, recovery period is faster, thereby post of stay in hospital is less, so that person can go back to work as early as possible. And in this period of COVID-19 pandemic, we are providing video consultations in our hospitals. So if you have any queries regarding any of your cancer related problems, we are ready to help through video consultation. So you can get to our website, or you can consult our international marketing team for video consultation with us. Thank you very much.